Hello students, welcome to Capman Academy's Gate Food Technology previous year question solutions, and our today's question is match the bioactive compounds in column 1 with their botanical source given in the column 2, right? So your options in column 1 are isoflavones, resistant starch, xanthophyll and resveratrol, right? Your options in column 2 are corn, grapes, soybean and plantain, which is a culinary banana. So you have to match these bioactive compounds with their botanical source or the plants. Fine. So first of all, isoflavones actually are the phytoestrogens which are present in plants, and these phytoestrogens are similar to the female hormone estrogen, right? So these phytoestrogens are actually present in the protein rich plant products, for example soya beans, right? So in the soya beans, this phytoestrogen is present in three forms, for example genistein, then didazein, and last one is glycine. So these are the common form of the phytoestrogen present in the soya beans. So your correct option here in the column 2 with the isoflavone is soya bean, which is third option. Your next option is resistant starch, which means the starch which does not digested by the digestive system of the animals, and it will pass through the digestive system directly, and it acts as a soluble fiber in the digestive system, but it has very healthy beneficial role in the animals. So resistant starch here match to the botanical source, which is plantain or called culinary banana, because it is present in different type of the food products, for example vegetables and fruits. So it present in the here culinary banana, which is a type of raw banana and which is enriched with the starch. Fine. Your next option is xanthophyll. So xanthophyll actually it is a class of oxygen containing carotenoid pigments which are found in different type of vegetables, fruits and different type of grains. So here your option for xanthophyll will match here is the corn in the column 2. Your next option is the resveratrol. So this compound actually present in the different type of fruits and vegetable, and especially it is found in the skin of the grapes or skin of the berries, right? So this is mostly used in the brewery industry in making of the wine. So here your botanical source for the resveratrol will be grapes, right? So let's see the correct answer in our options, which is in the column 1 P will match to the soya bean, in the column 2 P3. So here only B option is matching the P with the 3. Then your next option is Q4, which is resistant starch, which will match to the plantain culinary banana. Yes, this one is correct. Then your R xanthophyll will match to the corn, column 1 in the column 2, right? So R1, that is also correct. Then resveratrol, it will match to the grapes in the column 2, that is also correct as 2. So here your correct answer is B, and if you match others, they will not match with each other. So that won't be the correct answer. So your correct answer here is the option B, right? So that's all for the today. Thank you.